another travel show. Before we get to show you this exciting vlog, please don't forget to like, subscribe, so you can see more of my videos. So for today's episode, we will be checking out the nightlife here in Boracay. So our first stop is here in Uptown because it is the most recommended place by the locals here to eat and drink and of course enjoy the live band. Okay, and later on we will be going around for a bar hopping. Okay, let's go. Then guys, ito po yung na-order natin ngayon for our dinner. We got this for 3,000 pesos with rice na. Good for 4 to 5 packs. Ayan. So, sa Paraiso Bar namin to na-order dito sa may Boracay Uptown. Nakakatakam na. Nakakagutom. Kain tayo. Sarap yung timplada nila ng barbecue nila. So, ito yung limpo nila. Did you know that you are not supposed to be overeating blue marlin? Kasi ano siya, creamy. Tapos maganda siya niya pag sobra. Tapos na po tayo sa ating first stop sa ating nightlife episode. Bago tayo pumunta sa bar hopping, nagpa-hair braid muna ako. So yan guys. Kung gusto niyo magpa-hair braid, mayroon silang 250 pesos para dun sa plain, sa front, buong front, 250 pesos without color. And also, pwede rin kayo magpa-henna, which is 200 pesos minimum. FYI guys, bawal po dito yung walang face mask. Bawal uminom sa may beach line, bawal kumain doon. So basically, the beach line is clear. It's very clean and organized here. Very strict sila dito talaga. Promise. May mga pulis na nagro-roving. Pag nahuli ka sa mga violations mo, ticket ka agad for 2,500. Huwag paligoy-ligoy. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating second stop, which is the Epic Bar. Ayan. Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Epic Bar. Na-curious lang ako, bakit yung mga tao pumapasok dito? Kasi all day, all night sila pumapasok dito. Malakas sila. Most of them, nakikita mo kumakain. So, yun. Tatry natin muna yung food nila. This is Epic Adobo. So, ito yung parang specialty nila. Adobo nila to. Pork and chicken. Tender nung meat nila. Rice tayo. Masarap talaga siya guys. Hindi siya maasim, hindi siya maalat. Tama-tama lang. Sobrang sarap. So, antayin natin tong Epic Sisig. This one is very perfect for pulutan. May mas ata to ng baboy. May pagka-asin konti. Calamari nila. Creamy. Parang napaka-fresh meal. Tapos nilagyan ng may lime, herbs. Sarap siya. Yung calamari nila, hindi siya makunat. Crispy. Siguro baby pa yung ano nila, squid. Kaya lambot pa. Hindi sila basta-basta nagpapapasok dito. Kailangan magpa-reserve ka talaga sa kanila. Kaya marami nag-aantay sa kanilang na yung mga waiting list. we are in our third stop, which is the Pat's Creek Bar. Tingnan natin kung maganda pa yung vibes nila dyan, kung masarap pa yung mga cocktails nila dyan, at kung magagaling ba yung band nila na reggae. Let's go! Come on! Meron silang tattoo room, tsaka billiard. Pwede ka magpatato at billiard din. Yung vibes ng bar na ito, they are really more into reggae. Kaya, okay, so yun guys, pupunta na naman po tayo ulit sa ating next stop. So guys, we are in our fourth stop, which is the summer place. So as you can see, ang daming tao sa loob at saka marami pang nakalipida sa labas. So I think this is the most popular club in this area in Boracay. Kasi there's a disco there, there's a dance floor. Let's try to get in. So yun guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Nigi dahil puno na dun sa summer place. So this will be our last stop dito sa Nigi. Let's just enjoy here, enjoy the band. It looks fun though. Let's go! Tapos na po tayo sa ating nightlife episode dito sa ating Boracay Escapade. Overall, yung mga bars natin dito, very entertaining, tsaka medyo maraming tao, at tsaka very alive sila, especially pagka 9 PM onwards. And they are very safe here. So kahit mag-inuman, mag-party, still safe pa rin. Kasi dito, may mga police talaga na nakaikot lagi, tapos nagbabantay para walang gulong mangyari. Gusto nyo pumunta dito sa Boracay at gusto nyo ng nightlife, pwede nyo puntahan yung mga napuntahan ko. Katulad ng Nigi. Ang Nigi, meron silang live band at saka wala silang entrance fee. Ang Epic naman, ang Epic kasi laging busy, so you really have to reserve para kung gusto mo talaga doon, kailangan mong magpa-reserve talaga. So doon, they have DJ, and then chill, ganon. Then good food. So yun guys, dito naman sa summer place, bumalik kami. So ayan, we had a chance to get in. And it was really, sa loob, sobrang cozy niya. Tapos, maganda talaga yung vibes niya. Very fun. Then you can also dance inside. Free siya earlier, but 9 PM onwards, meron silang entrance fee na 200 pesos. Doon naman sa Pat's Creek, ang vibes nila doon ay reggae. Gusto ko yung band nila kasi magaling din silang tumugtog. Tsaka fun talaga. So yun guys, ang nagawa po natin dito sa Boracay, first, yung hotel review natin, island hopping or beach activities, and we were able also to do the ATV. Third and the last one is at the nightlife. We were able to explore the different bars or clubs here. So yun guys, kung nag-enjoy naman po kayo sa ating Boracay Escapade, sana po huwag niyo pong kalimutang suportahan po ang aking channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for more upcoming videos. Maraming salamat po! So yun guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa tabi ng dagat kung saan po may nangyayaring kababalaghan.